Hi everybody, it's Emily back with another video. I'm so glad to be back in such short time. So today I'm going to show you guys a really dewy and simple 5-minute summer makeup look for when you're coming home from the beach or the pool or wherever you are, hiking, I don't know, what do you even do in the summer? And you're going to get ready in like 5 minutes, go to the boardwalk, go to a party, do the normal stuff that teenagers do. Unless you're not a teenager and then you could just go mini golfing. We're just going to get into the video, but before we do, follow me on all my social media. It's down below. That's it. Alright, let's get started. This hairstyle, it's a new thing to me. I think I'm going to call it the Dew Curl Express. I'm embarrassed. I just offended you. Sorry about that. So, I have eyelash extensions. If you guys want me to make a whole video on my eyelash extensions, I can definitely do that for you. They're the best things ever. I feel put together every single day just because I have eyelash extensions. The first thing we're going to do is apply moisturizer because I know for me, the sun squeezes all the moisture out of my face. It's my friend. Her name's Sally. In the summer, no one uses like real foundation because it's summer and that's what BB cream was made for. Goodbye, Sally. Now I'm just going to pat this on my finger. You could also use a beauty sponge. I'm just going to use a beauty sponge. I'm going to use some MAC Prep and Prime actually. I love this stuff. You all need it. We're going to do a little bit under the eyes. Now we're going to put on some powder. This is clean matte powder. I only use like the slightest bit because I do like the dewy feel. In the summer I don't really like the matte kind of feel. So I don't really put that much on. Now we're going to put on some bronzer. If you don't want to put on bronzer, that's completely fine. I'm obsessed with bronzer. Hoola by Benefit is the best. I hit pan. It's my #1. Can you hear my dog's squeaky toy? I hope not. Now we're also going to take the bronzer and put it on our eyelids to just darken them up. This is the only eyeshadow we're going to be doing. If you want to add more eyeshadow, you can definitely do that. I like doing this because I kind of like my eyes to be deepened a little, but not that much. Enhancing your normal look is basically what we're going for with this makeup tutorial. Now, I'm going to be using this blush. It's Peak Blush in Abu. It's a cream blush. It's really pretty and like really light, so I'm going to put that on. Just put on some dots and then I'll blend it out. This brush is the best for blending it out. Now it's time for highlight. I'm using the Becca Highlight in Champagne Pop. Mine's like broken, but I still use it anyway. Gold looks really, really good on tan skin. We're going to put on some lip balm now. This is the Hey Honey one. I'm not really the type of person to do eyebrows, but for this video, since everyone always does their eyebrows, I'm just going to show you guys what I would use if I would do my eyebrows. So this is the Naked 2 Basics palette, and I use the color Undone, and I can just fill in the dark spots like that. And they're going to look kind of dark until you like brush them out, and then they'll look good. Now just take a spoolie and run it through, because this will like blend out the product, make it a little more light. I need to get my eyebrows done, so I don't know what that is, so just don't even mind it. Sorry if the lighting got a little dark. It just got dark outside. It's been like kind of raining like all week. It's been such a bad week. The last step in the makeup look is lips. I love super warm colored lips for the summer, so I'm mixing two kind of trends, I guess you could say, in this makeup look. Goldy, bronzy stuff and just neutral, kind of bright type stuff. This is the YSL lipstick in 70 Nude Natural or something like that. I don't know, you can look it up online. I love YSL lipsticks, like the formulas are really nice, but the smell is just so bad. So I'm gonna put this lipstick on. As you can see, it's really just like an addition to my normal lip color. And now we're gonna use this e.l.f. in Golden Chariots. This came in like a set a while ago, so I don't know if you could get this anywhere. Basically, any like gold shimmery lip gloss will do. If you have like a really pink color that you want to use on your lips, that looks so good with gold. So here's the final look, and the final step that really just helps this look become extra dewy and all that is a setting spray. So we're going to use the Ulta Beauty Dewy Setting Spray. It's to maximize longevity in makeup by giving you luminous skin. So that is the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what videos you guys want me to film. If you guys want more vlogs, car videos, makeup tutorials, whatever you guys want, I will definitely do. Make sure to subscribe and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!